The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, southern Eaton County in south-central Michigan, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Bellevue, or 10 miles north of Marshall, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Eaton Rapids, and Potterville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.